See, a vector is represented by a directed line segment because vector is completely defined in terms of magnitude and direction. The length of AB, length of line segment is AB. This is called as magnitude. This is called as magnitude of the vector, and direction A to B represents direction of the vector. So vector has got both magnitude and direction. Now to represent a vector in two-dimensional system, a vector can be represented by an order pair of numbers. Say for example, this is O, origin, x-axis, y-axis. See, on x-axis you have to travel 3 units. On y-axis you will travel 4 units. So you locate the point. You locate the point 3, 4. This is one I cap, I cap, I cap. So totally there are 3 I caps, and this is J cap, J cap, J cap, J cap, and there are 4 J caps, and the point is present in the first quadrant. In first quadrant you have plus, comma, plus, so you write plus. Now we now get the vector OP. So vector OP is 3I cap plus 4J cap, and this is called as position vector of P, because P has got the position 3, 4, and vectorially it is 3I cap plus 4J cap. So vector OP is called as position vector of P, and it is represented by 3I cap plus 4J cap. Similarly, if you have a point in 3-dimensional coordinate system, say for example 2, 3, 6, then vectorially this is 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 6K cap. That means to locate this vector, one has to travel 2 units. 2 unit vectors are covered on x-axis, so I cap, and 3 unit vectors are covered on y-axis, and 6 unit vectors are covered on z-axis. So this is 6K, this is 3K, and this is 2K. So totally vectorially the position vector of OP is 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 6K cap. See, in vectors we also have like vectors. Both the vectors are exactly aligned in the same fashion, or the angle between these two vectors is 0 degree. This is called as like vectors. You also have equal vectors. That means both the vectors have same magnitude and same direction. This is equal vectors. You can see that the length of the first vector is same as the length of second vector. You also have unlike vectors. See, like vectors are its parallel vector. Equal vectors, they are again parallel vectors. Unlike vectors are again parallel vectors, but they stretch themselves in opposite direction. So the angle between these two vectors is taken as 180 degree. So this is like vectors, equal vectors, and unlike vectors.